Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to do a hard reset on your TOZO T6 wireless earbuds in case you are having issues like they're not connecting or maybe sound is only coming out of the left ear or only out of the right ear. Doing a hard reset will fix a lot of these issues. So what you need to do is before you even do anything with the earbuds is go on whatever device you're using on your phone or whatever and go ahead and turn the Bluetooth off and then delete the device from the phone. And then once you do that, you can have the earbuds in the case with the case closed, and then you're going to open the case and take the earbuds out. And when you take the earbuds out, you're just going to wait until the indicator light on them flashes red and blue. And when the indicator light flashes red and blue on each of them, you're going to come in and you're going to do a three taps. You're going to go tap, 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 tap. 3 taps in quick succession on the back of the earbud, and that will initiate the reset process, at which point you can put them back in the case, take them back out, and repair them with whatever device you like.